My question relates to the ASF vaccine. So it's still considered a vaccine under trial. Do you think it's worth the risk that it could bring if the vaccine is still under trial with respect to Lubo, the LGUs, and the Department of Agriculture? So I'll let you respond first, Mayor Lota. Is it worth the risk?
Well, definitely. Gusto po sana namin na yung pwede nang ibakuna. Ibig sabihin, tapos na sana sa clinical trial kasi ang hirap po na i-take ang risk, lalo na sa mga maliliit na farms. Di po ba? Kasi parang yung ipupuhunan nila, yun na yung parang pinaka-pera lang nila. Tapos they're expecting na sana pag nabenta, bubuhay ulit yung, parang bubuhay ulit yung family nila, pang education lahat. But with us kasi, syempre kung andyan na ang bakuna, of course, it's worth taking the risk. No? Pero sana, ang aming hope lang talaga to our national government na mabigyan kami ng tamang bakuna na pwede nang tumulong sa mga kababayan ko. No? So, it's with them na.
Let's see. So now let's hear from the national government. Asek Dante.
Actually, this is not a trial. Napatunayan na matino itong gamot na to 2 years ago pa lang. Tinrial na to sa napakaraming farm, mga 16 farms.
In the Philippines?
Yes. And yung dati kong farm na ginamit ko ito eh. At nakita ko na may epekto. So, kaya malakas ang loob ko na i-endorso to. You know, I will not destroy my 44 years career na mag-i-endorso ako na isang produkto na wala namang ipakikita. Itong bakunang ito ay kayang protektahan ng palakihing baboy. No? Ibig sabihin, grower, hindi yung breeder. Kaya nga sabi ni Mayor kanina, maraming mga recutitos kaming ginagawa. No? Kasi monitored release to ng FDA. We have to follow them. Kailangan kukunin namin ng dugo ng baboy, a certain percentage. Pag nakitang negative, pwedeng bakunahan. Number 2, kailangan grower lang, hindi pwedeng inahin. Number 3, kailangan pumirma yung mga magtetest. And pag namatay dahil sa bakuna, babayaran ng gobyerno.
Pag may namatay?
Yes, okay. Dahil sa bakuna. Now, as of now, taxpayers natin ang bumili nitong bakunang ito. At inuuna namin ang mga backyard para matulungan silang tumayo agad. So, again, I will repeat, this is not a trial. This is a controlled release ng bakuna.
And I guess when we say trial, it's some of the vaccines sometimes are classified still at the trial stage. And like what we had when we were taking COVID vaccines. So yun po ba ang classification ng ASF vaccine from a medical standpoint?
No, it's not a trial. It's actually a release na ng bakuna. Kasi nakita na umepekto eh. Okay. So, but kinukontrol namin ng release so that, you know, more and more data will come in. But as you mentioned...
I just wanted to raise the Mayor Lota. I heard that in Batangas, there were piglets that died because after taking the vaccine. I wouldn't say because. It's just after. So, is that true?
Yeah, for the 41 na nabakunahan, na first na na-roll out nila ng vaccine, 5 una. Pero last week, nadagdagan ng 2. So, 7 na. And there were piglets po ang binakunahan po kasi nila. Because of the restrictions, ang dami po kasi talagang criteria eh. Hindi ka pwedeng magbakuna pag ganito, hindi growers. Kaya nga siguro ang prayer ko din, baka sa susunod, yung hindi lang yung category or yung group na yon, yung growers, baka pwedeng inahin din kasi manggagaling kasi doon. And with those na namatay po, actually namatay sila dahil may virus pa rin po sila.
So, okay, we want to hear the side of the DA on this. So, what can you say about that, Asek Dante?
Again, tulad din ng COVID, kailangan walang comorbidity. Okay? Itong mga namatay na 6 na to ay may comorbidities, no? May sipon, at the same time, medyo nag-lack sa biosecurity. As I mentioned, pag pinakunahan kita ngayon, kailangan it will take 30 days to produce the antibody. Pagka napabayaan mo yung baboy na ito, na hindi pa siya nagbi-build up, sa lakas ng infection pressure sa lubo, kaya niyang bumagsak. At bumagsak yung 6. Pero yung kabilang farm na 29, isa lang ang namatay, napilay pa. And ang ganda ng pag-aalaga niya ng baboy. So, you mentioned earlier, is it worth taking a risk? As an expert na nakausap ko sa World Organization of Animal Health, you have to evaluate the risk versus the benefit. And dahil ako'y galing sa industry, I would advise to take the risk.